Hi friends, this video shows how to use rechargeable batteries with GODOX TTL Flash Light TT350C. This is the GODOX TTL Flash Light TT350C. So here we can see the battery cover. We have to open this battery cover. We have to push this way. See, so this way we can open this. Then here we need to insert the batteries. In this video I will be using this rechargeable batteries. This is 2500 mAh NIMH 1 volt batteries. So let me test with these batteries. So when we insert these batteries, we have to carefully look these symbols. So here the first battery, when we insert, the positive has to come here on top. Then the second battery, the negative has to come here on top. So this way we have to insert the batteries. Then close it. See. So it's working. So this way we can use rechargeable batteries. So let me check it. Okay, it's working. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.